Please don't skip the video, listen the rules carefully, only then you can be able to clear the first round. Whosoever is going to be the winner of this puzzle tournament, we are going to tell everyone about that person in our Instagram page. We will applaud him in front of everyone. Please don't spoil this game and be the part of this puzzle tournament. Thank you. Hello friends, so how are you? Today we are going to start a new tournament that is called puzzle tournament. First time I think you are listening this word, this tournament. This is really going to be very funny, very best for you to improve your game strategies, thinking in a less time. The rules are very simple. First of all, you have to subscribe this YouTube channel so that you can be part of other rounds if you qualify for the second round. Second thing is that you will get 5 puzzles in every round and you have to solve all the 5 puzzles correct in 40 seconds each. Means for each puzzle you will get 40 seconds to solve it. You have to write the answer in the comment box and after that we will check it, and if you are right you will be qualified for the second round and then you will be notified for the second round whenever it is going to be happen. The third thing is that don't do any kind of cheating. If you have any doubt, please subscribe or follow our Instagram page, that is Chess Tactics Arena, and there you can solve your doubt whatever it is. Now without wasting single time, we are going to start this tournament. I hope so you are not going to cheat and all the rules are very clear to you. So here comes the first puzzle. You have to play as a white and mate in 2. Again I am repeating, you have to play as a white and mate in 2 moves. It is very simple. I think you are going to do this. I hope so. You are running out of time. Only I think 15 to 20, 15 to 10 seconds are left. Do fast. Whatever is the answer, just do the comment. Now here comes the second puzzle. In this puzzle also you have to play as a white and mate in 2 moves. Again I am repeating, you have to play as a white and mate in 2 moves. Do it fast friends. Only 10 to 15 seconds are left. Do it fast. Give your answer in the comment box. So here comes the third puzzle. The third puzzle is also like the same. You have to play as a white and mate in 2 moves. Play as a white and mate in 2 moves. It is very simple. I think most of you has got the solution if I am right. It is very clear. Average player can also give the solution of this puzzle. You have to play as a white and mate in 2 moves. It is not going to be tough for you. Everyone can give the answer of this simple puzzle. So 5 seconds left I think for the third puzzle. So here comes the fourth puzzle. This one. Again play as the white and mate in 2 moves. Again play as the white and mate in 2 moves. Again I am repeating, play as a white and mate in 2 moves. I hope so it is very clear to you and you have already solved. You have to mate in 2 moves. It is not tough. You are going to do this. 10 seconds left. You have to qualify for the second round, and for that thing you have to give at least 4 correct answers out of 5. 4 correct answers out of 5. Here comes the next puzzle. Again you have to play as white and mate in 2 moves. Again you have to play as white and mate in 2 moves. This one is very simple puzzle. If you can see, then it is very simple mate. Within 10 seconds you can solve this puzzle if you are average player. So 15 seconds left. Please do comment whatever is your answer. Thank you for watching this video, and we will notify you for the qualified peoples who are cleared this round and got selected for the second round. Please like this video, share this video, and do comment. Subscribe our channel. Thank you. follow us on Instagram if you have not done this yet now. Our Instagram link is given in the description. Also subscribe our channel, and I hope you all are going to be get selected for the second round. Next day we are going to upload the second round video, so subscribe channel so that you will be notified it, and press your notification bell at all, so whenever we will upload the video you will get the notification. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.